Hiccups driving you crazy? Let's kick them to the curb with these quick tips. First up, try holding your breath. Take a deep breath in, hold it for about 10 seconds, then gently exhale. This helps reset your diaphragm. Next, drink a glass of water, quickly. The gulping motion can interrupt the hiccup cycle. Or you could sip water from the opposite side of the glass. Sounds weird, but it works. If those don't do the trick, try swallowing a teaspoon of sugar. The granules can stimulate your vagus nerve, which might just stop the hiccups. Lastly, you can also try pulling on your tongue. Yes, really, gently tugging it can relax your throat muscles and help you get rid of those hiccups. So next time you've got the hiccups, give these tricks a try. Say goodbye to hiccups and hello to relief. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips.